I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this Jaguar XJ. So we'll just find Bluetooth onto Bluetooth, watching out at the bottom. Over here you've got phone there, click on phone, search new, really easy system. Vehicle to device, watching out at the bottom and watching the screen. Taking its time. Barry's iPhone 15 Pro, click on that. To pair and connect phone, enter 5434 on handset, and just wait for it to come up here. There you go. So it's 5434, 5434, pair. Allow contacts and sync. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. Allow connecting to Barry's iPhone 15 Pro, and that's it paired. Okay, I'll just show you how to stream music from your mobile through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2015 Jaguar XJ. So first of all, we go to music. This is Apple Music, but if you've got this set right and that set right, everything that plays, every audio that plays on your mobile should come through the speakers, whether it be Spotify, Prime Music, Apple, YouTube soundtrack, anything like that should play through the speakers. So if you look at the bottom there, you'll see Jaguar XJ. If I click on that, you've got a choice between iPhone and XJ. If there wasn't a tick there, for instance, and it was there, you'd just, well, I'll just show you, you'd just do that. And that's Jaguar XJ. Anything now, when I play this, it will play through here. I'll just put it on pause for a second. What we need to do, we need to go over here. You've got phone, nav, menu. Now, if I go to menu, you've got audio settings, audio and video, audio, video. Then click on source and the plus, that gives you your options. Barry's iPhone 15 Pro. Now, I can't help myself, it should be playing. If I turn this up, that's it, that's how you stream audio. Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2015 Jaguar XJ. So from any screen, what we need to do is go to phone, click on phone. There's nothing connected to it at the moment, so it comes up with a screen where you can search for new, or it shows what phones are connected. It's showing my phone's connected. I've deleted it off there, so it's not connecting. This allows this screen to come up. All I need to do is click delete. Delete Barry's iPhone Pro, and that's it, gone. So absolutely great system, perfect. Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2015 Jaguar XJ. So any screen, onto nav, destination entry at the top. Destination entry, we want Grosvenor Garage, and I'm going to use the postcode. So postcode, Grosvenor Garage, we're Blackburn Road, High Walton, Preston, P R 5 4 E A. Click OK and go.
Guidance will start when you join the highlighted route.
That's it. That's how you do it.